Let's learn about vegetables. We will try to identify the vegetables with correct spellings and pronunciation. Do you really think you know all vegetables? Let's see. This is carrot. This is artichoke. This is cabbage. This is cucumber. This is potato. This is pumpkin. This is sweet potato. This is celery. This is garlic. This is eggplant. This is zucchini. This is broccoli. This is bell pepper. Look now, at the picture is review and guess the name of the vegetable. You may give your answer in the comment box. Here we go.